New Mexico Film Week is right around the corner, and it will be filled with workshops and classes designed to get your foot in the door as well as hone skills for a growing career. Joining us now with more is Alyssa Cannon, who is a liaison for New Mexico Film Week. So lots of stuff going on in just 1 week, and it all kicks off on Tuesday the 6th, right? And we're going to start that with Tune Up Tuesday, right?
Yes, so Film Week begins February 6th. It goes through the 12th, accumulating with Film, TV, and Media Day. Very important for all of our filmmakers and aspiring filmmakers to get out there for that, really promote film in New Mexico. But it kicks off February 6th with free workshops and panels presented by the local unions. And it's giving opportunity to young filmmakers to explore various aspects of our film career opportunities here in New Mexico and worldwide. But not only our aspiring filmmakers, people like me who are kind of seasoned but would like to explore new things, such as our legal opportunity to explore that very developing landscape. It's a very complicated world in entertainment law. If you're trying to make an independent film or even work on the studio side, Harris Tolkien will be kicking off that panel with his teammates. Then you can also explore, as a new filmmaker or a filmmaker seasoned like myself again, exciting things like special effects, makeup, drones, things that you normally don't get an opportunity to do when you're new, or even someone like me who's a producer.
Right. Yeah, and that's what's really nice is because looking at the variety of workshops that are available, because you think Film Week and someone that may be sort of standing out on the outside, it's like, oh, it's just a bunch of stuff for actors, right? Or it's just a bunch of stuff for people that want to be directors. This covers every aspect: cinematography, wardrobe, hair and makeup, producing. And I think, as you said, the entertainment law discussion is so crucial because more and more New Mexico-grown filmmakers are starting to produce their own works.
Exactly. And you want to be able to know what the rules are and how to play the game, and Harris and his friends will help you navigate that.
That is fantastic. And of course, lots of things going on. I want to come back to Film and Media Day because we are talking about the growing industry here. And it's not just the projects that are coming here, but even local filmmakers that are trying to take advantage of the incentives. So if someone has not gone to Film and Media Day, what is that experience like?
Oh, it's amazing. So you're going to meet everyone from local area stars. Sometimes we have stars brought in. You might run into Bryan Cranston, which you know from Breaking Bad.
Sure.
More importantly, you're going to see the unions there representing film. You're going to see the legislatures. You're going to see people behind the scenes: carpenters, construction, painters, hair, makeup, grips, electric, actors, directors, writers, anybody involved in film and media, you're going to see them. Like, we see the people working back here behind the camera. And we want people to come out and represent what film is. 10 years ago, I started here in New Mexico, and an opportunity like this wasn't quite around yet to be able to take advantage of free workshops and to explore and meet and network people on such a grand level. If you come to Film and Media Day, you're going to meet and see everyone.
Yeah, and that entire week is a perfect opportunity to network, as you said, grow the skills that you may have already been working with for a few years, or if you are brand new to the biz and you want to break into it, it's a great time to start. So if we want more information about everything that is happening during Film Week, we've also got the Santa Fe Film Festival, we've got the Hall of Fame going on the 11th, so much stuff going on. Is there one website that we should go to?
I think the easiest place to go is shootnm.org and follow the links. You can go to the Facebook page, Google Shoot New Mexico. All the information will be there, and we really hope to see everyone out there.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. So it's a busy week next week. If you want more information on what is happening for Film Week here in New Mexico, just head over to foxnewmexico.com.